Now, Hispanics and Latinos make up the largest minority population in Nevada, but in the medical field, they only represent about 5% of doctors.
Here in Las Vegas, doctors say it can be a challenge for Latino families receiving care. 8 News Now reporter Ryan Tismaneski joining us, Ryan, in the newsroom with the message from one doctor.
I spoke with an infectious disease doctor who's been practicing in our community for a decade. He said that while Nevada is already experiencing a general shortage of healthcare professionals, it has a profound effect on healthcare for the state's largest minority population.
Latinos make up just under 30% of the state's population, but when it comes to doctors, they're between 5 and 6% of the workforce, which can make it rare for Latinos to have care that caters to them.
You'll be surprised how many patients in the hospital I see that tell me, "Doc, you're the first one that explains to me what's going on."
Infectious disease doctor Luis Medina Garcia says this disparity is a challenge.
So there's definitely a mismatch between the demand for our services in our native tongue and with our cultural context than what is available to provide these services.
He says if services can be provided by doctors who understand Latino culture and language, it improves the quality of care. For example, informing someone with diabetes what changes they need to make to their diet.
The Mexican diet is different than the Colombian diet, is different than the Salvadorian diet. And so being able to understand what they normally eat and how to help them translate that to percentages of food groups is a lot more helpful.
Dr. Medina Garcia says that making the doctor workforce reflective of the population will be a lengthy process and starts with inspiring future generations.
It's important for them to be able to see themselves doing it. And this is why, having a physician that looks like you and comes from a similar background is important in you believing that you can do it too.
Dr. Medina Garcia says that there are multiple organizations working to foster interest in the medical field. Reporting from the newsroom, Ryan Tismaneski, 8 News Now.
Ryan, thank you. And Dr. Garcia and other doctors also say improving medical schools with graduate medical education in Nevada will help grow the number of doctors in the state.